Okay guys, it's ADC Melbourne here, back with another video. This one's going to be on how to replace the battery in the electronic door opener for a Toyota Camry. This is a 2016 model. I presume it fits other Toyotas as well, maybe the Corollas, etc. Possibly right up to today's car. I haven't seen a lot of the modern cars, but anyway, definitely for a 2016 Camry and Corolla. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, first on the list, we need a decent set of screwdrivers, especially some of the smaller ones like that. Next, we have to remove this off that, so we can get access to just behind here. Alright. Okay, keys are removed. Now, if you can just see in there, you've got that little little gap there. Now that's what you need to stick the screwdriver under to remove it. Now, stick the screwdriver in there. There it is. Comes off. Simple as that. Then, the battery's actually located under there. Now, you don't just unscrew that, it just clips out. As you can see, there's actually a little description on the top there, so that'll help you out as well. So, get this while I'm holding the camera. There you go. And there it is, exposed for you to get at. Now you might need a smaller screwdriver, or you might be able to leverage it out, but be careful. There is a little plastic little clip in there that holds the battery in place. There it is, guys, out and exposed. Now this I got from the local hardware store. It's like $4.20 in Australian money. It says on it it's an Energizer CR1620. So that's what you need to look for. I mean, I don't know where you are and what part of the world, but yeah, well, that's what it is for Australia. Alrighty, I'll put that back in, and it's the exact reverse process for what you use to take it out. Alright. So first, the battery goes back in. There it is. The battery's in. This little gizmo just gets pushed back into there. I might be able to do it with one hand. Okay, I'll just turn the camera off and put it back in. There it is, back in place. Now, see this has got, as you can see, the cover has got a number of clips on both sides. Now, this is the side where the little gap is for where you stick the screwdriver is. Now, don't force it on like that. Put the little clips in first, and then push it down. That way everything's in place, and you won't ruin your little cover. So, very easy. Do it that way. Remember, little grooves, I suppose, get pushed into the hole first, and then push down. Basically the reverse of how you pulled it apart. And there it is. Put back together. Have a go over here. There she is. Locked. Alright, easy one. Cheers, guys.